Good day, ladies and gentlemen. Welcome back to another weekly episode of the number one play of the week. So obviously this is only for journaling purposes, and I'm going to take you through the entry I thought was the play of the week, which was a great risk to reward. And no further ado, let's jump right into the charts. Okay, so as you can see, I'm looking at a 4-hour by starting off just to see what's happening in the market. And on Monday, after the Easter long weekend, I had a look at where we end the previous week, and as you can see, we took a sell side down here and went right up to take buy side, and then just went sideways. But as we went sideways, you can see we went down, make a lower, lower high, lower low, lower high, lower low, lower high, and so forth. So with this lower highs, we create a decent set of liquidity to go long. And I think the key for this exercise for me was to obviously find some sort of discount price action to take along, to take those liquidity in the well marked it out here on those equal highs that was forming right there. So what I did was I basically just connected the sell side and buy side to obviously find just get rid of that, to find the discount zone. I've marked it out with dotted lines. As you can see, price came right to the pip, to the discount line. I would have liked it to go slightly lower in order for us to look for any buys there. But be as it may, moving on, we came out of the long weekend, and I'm going to take you through to Monday's New York Open. We're going to jump right back into quickly on 1 hour. Let's see, 1 hour. So you'll see there's a chart down here. I'm just hiding it out so everybody can see what I'm actually focusing on here. On the 1 hour, I thought we literally the previous week took this sell side out as liquidity and then rejected sharply, trying to invert this fair value gap. Just want to make it some nice color so we can see it. And now it's actually bring it center back. Okay, there we go. So, but then price start, consolidating on Friday or Thursday at least, in this area, not moving anywhere. So it was a good day to to switch off and go have a long weekend. And as we start Monday, price action. Just want to take this off. We'll leave it there. Price action obviously gapped up and pushed right through those highs. Don't give you an entry there. But for me, it was quite key to say, all right, we punched right through it. Now I'm looking for a discount zone to obviously look for buys again in order to take these highs out. And that is what I was looking for on Monday. So if we're going to go, so now we can see that's our discount zone. I'm going to jump right back down to a 5-minute chart. Let's just do this. Sorry. And over here we go. Right. So now we see this gap up, sideways through London, through Asia, London. And as we went down to the 830, I was looking at price coming down, and that was your one drop, second drop. I would not have entered here, although we're in discount. I'm waiting for that news event that was triggered at 9:30, and I will then look up for my my setup. My setup is fairly simple, and I'll create a different video for that to take you guys through my strategy. But what happened here is we created this low, and as you can see, there's some nice big candles pushing down, and the next white candle at 9:20 did not take that low out, but stay within the range. But the next candle closed above this last down close, candles open, and that to me was key. I then took a entry, a buy right there, and obviously my stop right below that. This is not normally a trade that you should be taking if you just beginning out or trying out, because of the news event. But I was fairly confident there was not enough liquidity and reason for me that price will go higher, and I'll show you the reason. Besides from all those big liquidity higher up, I've also saw that we set up for equal highs right here and an equal high session right there, and those were my two targets. And we actually went right to the top, and that was a 4-to-1 R, and that makes this risk reward. And with everything that plays out, it was in a discount zone. The bias was to go higher to take this liquidity, and I'll show you guys what happened after that. And it wasn't me just taking a trade, holding it for the jackpot right to the top for new highs and all of that. But just look at the short-term liquidity that we put out here, like these two equal highs, and price went straight up there. And if I can take this off that I've put here, you'll see price then drop right through the floor. Don't be greedy, guys. Just look at small entries normally. So basically, from this point on, when we broke this high and this fair value gap here, my entry was at break even, so there was no risk, and I just waited for price to go up here. I took 50% off here and the other 50% up here. That was a good trade for me, and therefore I think that was my play of the week. And if you want to see more of this, I'll post the play of the week every week. But I will also start recording these entries live. So, and again, this is only for journaling purposes for myself and for you to benefit from. And what I'm going to do is, as soon as I get my following to 1,000 subscribers, I'm going to start live stream this for free, and then people can see what I'm seeing through the sessions and how I'm trading and how I'm getting profits out of the market and being profitable. So I hope you guys had a good weekend, and chat to you guys next week. Have a great Sunday, and chat to you again. Bye.